To the Storm Alert Center we go. Paul Barys standing by. Paul?
A lot of action coming up. Not so much for tomorrow, but really tomorrow night and into Friday morning. For tomorrow, I think all we're really going to see is rain pretty much. This storm is going to be coming out of the Mississippi Valley. It's going to be pumping out that moisture. The rain's going to be heading our way. Snow will start breaking out over the Ozarks in the morning hours. By tomorrow night, rain will start changing over to snow, especially after midnight. Some of the higher elevations in the Cumberland Plateau and the Blue Ridge Mountains are going to see the best bet for snow, but up to an inch of rain is possible too. So it's going to mix with some of that snow, and you could have a little bit of sleet at times also. But this is not going to be a big snowmaker, I think, for the valley itself. For the higher elevations, it could get some accumulation. It all depends exactly how cold the temperatures are. Right now, there's a lot of water out to the west of us, right along the Mississippi Valley through Arkansas, all the way down with some thunderstorms into Louisiana, and some snow is flying further off to the north, but it's not a big deal yet. And you can see the motion of the clouds, and that's what you can really see. It's slowly but surely pushing off to the east, but most of the motion is from the south to the north with the individual storms. Currently it's 40 in the city, 38 Dalton, 28 already in Murphy, because the sky is a little bit clearer out there, so it's going to get pretty cold out there, and that's probably where a lot of the snow is going to be falling. Winds out of the north at 9, but remember, it's not so much tomorrow during the day. It's late tomorrow night, about 24 hours from now to 36 hours from now. 50 and 31. That was the high and the low for today. Pretty good forecast, worked out well. Skywatchers told me near 50 south of the city, a few places into the low 50s like Somerville. Dalton was only 49 today. It was only 49 in Cleveland, pretty much 40s across the metro area. 44 Lookout, 46 Signal, but Cleveland 49 with Trenton 48 and Ottawa and Red Bank also at about 48 degrees. You get out to Murphy 48. 40 is pretty much north of the city. Now, Pikeville did climb up to about 50 just for a second or two. Dunlap 49 and 53 out near Jasper down in the southern part of the Sequatchie Valley. Here's that storm we're watching. What's going to happen is this one is going to weaken a little bit. But you see that rain starting to move in. This is 10 o'clock tomorrow night. That rain starts to spread in. A little bit of snow up into the higher elevations and mainly off to the north. This storm weakens and sort of disappears. And then the other storm, it shoots over to the east. And if that happens, we won't see that much snow. But again, it could be falling still as that system breaks apart a little bit. And most of the snow is going to be up to the north of us, up along Interstate 40. And then more showers again, snow showers basically, coming up into probably Friday morning and then ending. And what we're looking at is just partly cloudy skies coming up on Saturday. Good ½ inch to an inch of rain out of this. And again, the best chance for the snow is going to be to the north and west of us and out over the Blue Ridge Mountains too, especially in the higher elevations where you could see maybe 4, 5, 6 inches of snow in a few spots. 31 tonight, cloudy skies for tomorrow. Rain moves in by afternoon as the clouds really thicken up, and 46 for the high. Tomorrow night, 35 with that wintry mix. And then Friday, we'll call it a storm alert day because in the morning, it could get rough in some of the higher elevations with 42. Saturday, 43, 46 Sunday. And we could have another round of some rain mixed with snow coming up into Monday and Tuesday. But see these highs in the 40s, so that means, at least in the valley areas, most of the stuff would be melting. Greg?